Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a document available offline in the Google Slides app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up Google Slides, and here it opens up in this view. From here we just have to select the document that we want to work on, and then tap on the three dots next to its name, and then tap on available offline. Now this is a toggle feature, which means that we can toggle whether the said document is going to be available offline. It is shown with this icon in the bottom right corner of it, a check mark, and it means that it is available offline. You can work on it even when you're not connected to the internet. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it's as helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.